MPP ni na we a young man na ye careful ye beku. Wopa gidi, wopa jai because ansha foforo be san to aso. Say we any accident, na ka say car na de na kobo ho. How can you tell me say they be titiri yampa? Yes, chest pain team. And enwa emra afanyo marking. E kan ho asem abrofo si eulogizing. Enes Kubino, I could tell from his eyes to say ehu abafanyo. Afanyo gusua all can earnest and who asem our parliament no. Me who say biribi ehu na afanyo. Hwe we a Freemason ubewu. We are comfort ubewu because comfort no chekura wewu. Another young man in the MPP who died mysteriously. At the end of the day, it was poisoning. Kumewu, former MCE and MP. Honorable Baswa, wakwa MPP ye, wakwa MPP party. Ke wo bedu ya ne yam ya, padis na man poison di, yakunu. Dibeti, Baswa, akwa ye akwa MPP party account team. Meyam, Baswa, team. Because no more pedetu, another young man who died. I'm not saying that people cannot die natural death, but some of the deaths that happens in the New Patriotic Party sometimes is something. The orchestrators, the manipulators, they were all alive. Kennedy Agyapong. Besides say, Okwaka showdown, you know. Then and now of him. Kennedy Agyapong. Besides they know of him.
Ebusunya Captain Smart Assembly atudwa akọ Ediama NPP etitapo titru ene emu egbebuno ene won wo maye madwene se owo person bedi position bi se MP ewo NPP party mu a ensem ene edi Lester Captain Smart ebuwa wo kire se sa akofo ni na enam NPP party ne so ena akwakwohwe mu kwanhie wodi se wo ye bebuno na wo NPP ni mu a hweye enye sa ade eni ene beyew. In fact edin odi abanu anoye shiye pa so much GH and when you show she mesre say ubenya subscriber to must not the born account say na be na upload it to the one first person ya won sa e be kan akebusia say ya body ra ensem no mu a e free bra certain MP edema akotia metre Ernest ya Kumi eto ananam e won say bi the reactions do na e na akoso e won na yi ni wo ya wo yi e ho na e bu ba ko ya Captain Smart e kan na e hwehwe aso e na wo kire say NPP party no eye party bi a kamia say wo mo pe shining star so we ya brantie na wo party na wo bo mo di kakra bi wo party no a e be je wo nkwa e de free won sam wo kire bo wo mo a abasi no ko bi say JB dankwa edu eni Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ani bodyguard bi o kan wo mo nyina no eye emabunu ni MP so wo party no a wo mo bo mo de jonkoma mo nyina e ka ho a wo kire say bi wo party no a aje wo mo nkwa e de free won sam na afei caution ya wo de ma wo mo mate ase mo de wo nko yes wo mo hwe wo ye sa de na wo NPP party ma e bom mabunu toto no wo mo so e betimi age wo mo kwa de from so in fact o de honorable Ken akonko e kwa Japan din kwa abepi abusia ma yanko ne nko tie senior Captain Smart esika ansam ne fai
kana esese ka be shetutum ba man shetutum cause ade na hye me ka kotia MP ni wu no wo ye MPP ni na wo ye young man na ye careful ye beku wopa gidi wopa jai because ansha foforo be san to aso say we any accident na ka say car na de na kobo ho. How can you tell me say they be titiri yampa yes chest pain team and emra afanyo marking e kan ho asem abrofo si eulogizing Enes Kubino, I could tell from his eyes to say ehu abafanyo gusua all can earnest and who asem our parliament no. Me who say biribi ehu na afanyo hwe we a Freemason ubewu we a comfort ubewu because comfort no chekura wewu comfort no choma ko na fi wiem e ba ye wewu na wo a wo so we a Freemason wo dress you now the skirt abo asene wo be ko and I'll tell you why ehu abo afanyo. Now follow me. There's a canker, there's a monster, there's something happening in my party, the New Patriotic Party, and listen carefully. I don't care what you think. Then tell them what MPP mean. Then branch and one you. And branch and one one who almost are talk forget talk. Men kai ebusa for yaw. A branch of ya no di Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. Ni a friend Kwabena Buedu. Odi Bawumia me yade le ko sirem ye kwaye campaign hotel na kwabena boadu koda no makoda hoda ba da menim room okoda e but woma lodge was a hotel hoda JB anadwuma nasem yen kwate say light na ache kwabena boadu ha men kai kwabena boadu ma me yawo ne na busuafo yawo because akaya me ma me agi e na me tim me kwa me ka bibi ankasa by now agi etumrika ekodu sablugu na ntom ko mai kwabena boadu ye say wakwa akoda hotel kwabena boadu ye obi a wo first degree padi ni sabe abranche no na wa ben kwabena boadu wu ye for a long period of time na afia abaya ya NDC deputy national organizer ware na ware no me mpese na ka bibia ka ho afia koto ko masro ko ya deputy afia koto kept eulogizing this fantastic wonderful young man because nobody understood kwabena boadu's death padis ne baya almost say or the horse and adrenal light touch no na when na what them who say kwabena boadu the home and adrenal light touch no something killed kwabena boadu but something in the party, this is how I will say it, killed kwabena boadu. Number 2, Honorable J.B. Dankwa, a sitting member of parliament, a very young member of parliament. J.B. Dankwa, something killed him in the New Patriotic Party. J.B. Dankwa Danidem, Ghana for a whole member of parliament or Danidem. Adia Chinya yesi akwabi yefeno sexy dondon. Hey, wo yesi wekum J.B. Dankwa. Anamba. Nanado anyone hancho time assassin see ye. When we come to power, we'll investigate and then after the raffle, whatever still killed the Honorable J.B. Dankwa. J.B. Dankwa is a very promising young man. And then we don't know what they killed the J.B. Dankwa. Okay. Then I don't be in fear watching. Well, who killed J.B. Dankwa? And then it got to another young man in the MPP who died mysteriously. At the end of the day, it was poisoning. Kumewu, former MCE and MP. Honorable Baswa, wakwa MPP ye, wakwa MPP party. Ke wo bedu ya ne yam ya, padis na man poison di, yakunu. Dibeti, Baswa, akwa ye akwa MPP party account team. Meyam, Baswa, team. Because no more pedetunu, another young man who died. I'm not saying that people cannot die natural death, but some of the deaths that happens in the New Patriotic Party sometimes is something. It's something. Some of the war is something. Any serious nation will never take such deaths for granted. We got to investigate it. Then it comes to Boache Jako, Emmanuel Jako, Nina Penny Boache Jako. Jaku for time, on only a call Food and Drugs Authority. What killed Boache Jako? What killed him? Mbacho, Emmanuel Boache Jako. What killed him? He was also a very young man. Yes, seen Crawford say Emmanuel Jako is president of Ubedi. Nana no aye dendo or a Kufo boy, captive team, no so called. Near Kunu. That time he died, all the old men in the party were alive. The orchestrators, the manipulators, they were all alive. Kennedy Agyapong. Besides say, Okoka showdown we you know. Then and now of him. Kennedy Agyapong. Besides they know of him. What killed Kojo Banredu? What killed Kojo Banredu? Man, Israel. What killed Kojo Banredu? Yes, a promising young guy. You see, hey, one shot Jacob for best sponsor no. Jacob for best sponsor why? Kojo Banredu on yare. Look me in the eye and tell me what killed Kojo Banredu. Me mama Hawa Yakubu, what killed her? Someone should tell me what killed Hawa Yakubu. Eti yadi Hawa Yakubu ko ni krom JB. And yes, I was there. Huh? Nana busa for so mama party for no kwai ma Hawa Yakubu ku efunu ho. Me bo ana but when before mo kan kure. If I'm lying, you dey go see shark so. Ni fie, wo mo busa fie ni e na park no so ni. But me bo ana. Bisa said day into the polling station now. And what Hawa Yakubu? Wo mo busa fie ni mpe. From that time besin there. Polling station na MPP to be winning. From that time besin there, MPP winning sa polling station bill. To an extent about me zero. No, me na. We are young guys, we are young ladies. I am telling you today, You don't know what I know. Upa fa, upa jai. You're careful. What go get to be parties in the Bekum? Mena me catch now. Obi make us and the CDBC we are happy. And the CDBC we are I am checking here. Mamin ko ba umi answer. Ba umi ayama poesi.
And no means and
who got that London Guys Hospital. Doctor Sinka to say then the war.
I don't take far.
Asem sia yes pa dance here. Me ma dance ni bia brutri. Ma dance ni yes Samaria ba wo. And Dr. Mamadou Baumia. They are my two witnesses.
He is smart.
Na shim. E ba ne say na Mamadou Baumia na we e na ye catch us Baumia nso no we ya pro. Baumia ne nso no.
Na de no
we see Baumia o ye stroke. Vice President obi o koba say ya. Padi se dia kan kakra.
Na de no we see no abufu.
Da ba ni gari edi. Sika gari.
Na de no we see no.
Akọ yam te chemicals wo.
Baumia.
Eti Baumia kwada Guys Hospital. Na yiri Samira Baumia ekatre Baumia bodyguard ne say do not allow any party member to come visit my husband. Samira Adelai,
oyere
convoy here.
Make up ma
And tell me that I am lying.
Oyere convoy. Make up ma.
Because Samira Baumia got the wind of the whole thing that hey, if I am not careful, may we do. Our Guys Hospital asking how did I get to know baby about me? I be here national security. Minimum part about me that's only rumor say what we could Guys Hospital. Remember what the mechi, na me the work yo, na ma show rumor na about me ada. Our Guys Hospital. Our London. Samira Baumia anu anya dia ke tini kunu say ta. Yeah. It's all realize ya e do baby no. Na the way about me nantie no nipa ntie ase.
Therefore me the srem paibo wo.
Eti emre bi na ba mi nanti wa ba bi asese ya nkrofo se wakonom red wine omo so adai o Muslim na ba mi so aka to say okay se me nya ba ya MPP flag bearer nipa me pede ye jonkuma ye bosom no be di wachi me ncho ma dance for don't worry number 1 number 2 ba mi na nkasa number 3 Samira ba mi o mi ensa na ye ma dance ni e wa san ya me kan ho Nanka Baumia pe jonkuma. Wala no musa no, he's a young guy. Akwane be di Baumia chi, awa hwe ya, ekwan ni besi. Because MPP no ya ma yate asese e line. Eso we so, wa na jebi.
Therefore me the srem paibo.
Eti jonkuma oni chama wuntumi ene ko sem. Esansa chama wuntumi ye tani nti, ono eduro ni bi ntumi nkunu.
Toda ya.
Akato se nsafo yenkumu omo ba ha.
Samaki Israel Yehowa. Ahenu Yehowa.
Ye intafo no yenkuye
Burakadesh.
There's obi share no kata so ye 10 year ondi na tan. Yo ye ba mini jebi ye ba ye ba nta ye ntafo ye fa ye ntafo no.
Yeah there. Bill free say.
Don kuma enyo ni chama untumi na bi a confirm no.
Toda ya sha.
John kuma enyo ni chama untumi.
Toda ya.
Ena edi close up no. Na sa aduane no hwane no an.
Samaki Israel Yehowa.
Mr. Shanoff, a black man is the most dangerous creation.
Burakadesh.
Bini
Who cooked that food? We were hearing the constituency organizer, women organizer, something organizer, something organizer, until we went to Milankasa guy now or to the show no so. The man say, I became a morning show host, but so our man Crawford credit and me or the man be. Because they said, according to university, or say a woman organizer been a dear and by moi. Ghana for Musori. It's a woman organizer or dear and come at him. I want to me. When any John Kumano, why Sama want to say Onimuno. Patrol. There or dear and by no so called you so washroom or cordon soy. It was a say an abaya or teacher with your UPS by minimum. No one my office. Not go so no matter where you see washroom I somebody should tell me something. John Kuma, a very young man. Yes, I want to be there often on it. On
Toda
what's on enter I want to move them.
Toda ya sha.
John Kuma Tim
Toda ya.
Some the cancer John Kuma will deposit. May any brain so. Any MP before, but I said someone said no, we could take from Germany.
Convoy. Make up ma.
And I told you guys that I spoke to John Kuma before many JB so you call baby call gather information sanka. Time MP before who said no Captain Smart could German in Kratano. But report now abrofo no ye no na yire wo copy na yire yam dance ni o wo copy na ye kum John Kuma ye be see me when you said John Kuma ho ye che me 3 times
Wait, bini ow.
and then you say why no you say akwache no on the party you say NTB da no Covid member John Kuma ho me Pentecost aso dem my worship awie na you say hwehwe me kwa bonten wa national security ni police kwasi ada na ya che me
Wait,
na wo do be na ya che Covid ba say dey
Emma Penino.
Akobutu ye no so wudi Ghana sika ye be che wo kama
Emma Penino.
wo mo ye John Kuma no
Smart.
and on say call honorable Apiakubi
so
another besiriwa ye not no meboa
bini ow.
honorable Apiakubi meyemo doctor bi owo ya kwe honorable Apiakubi akwa honorable Basua eye ono so yakufo boy na poison na su
Man that talk banku on.
na wuja fuja
Captain Smart. The king of warning shows.
and the ono akra be confirm say asem bia meka ye bia no no kre na ye kum no I remember very well time na ye MPP prime minister Jay Kufu Anna until he had the confirmation from us say Apiakubi anwene answer okwa akoda why it's a do baby no na MPP ni bi o ye Jay Kufu asini bia no wanye kefra ye be kum
Captain Smart. The king of warning shows.
do you know what I went through? Everything that happened to me was because me a Kufu boy say ya kwe Dr. Thompson
Wani.
and can no Apiakubi omkun
Okay.
Apiakubi nkofo na say ya man poison manadi wamu na bia na ma Apiakubi 15 minutes he got to go
Wani. Okay.
15 minutes oh me yes I saw no more details
Okay.
but we are more details
Okay.
because
Okay.
and na doctor na dey war honorable Apiakubi no eduro no me hu here so I can tell you the kind of poison that was given to Apiakubi
Okay.
eduro na doctor na dey war honorable Apiakubi e wo ya akwe no I saw the empty containers
Okay.
so I can tell you the kind of poison that was given to honorable Apiakubi ti ase onwui ono ne yere and Dr. Thompson wo me dance for opa abusa wo wuja fu nwui
Okay.
during 2024 I gave you education on poisoning. So by a politician, when a young man who MPP man compare anti-poison show bottom. Who MPP a year be any amount so they are man will be any depend no 1 minute to so tem. One be cool, me na me catch now. Opa jidi opa jai. I know the nonsense I am talking about. Huh? See? Sir, who MPP a year who MPP party a. What would that John Kuma wu here na? General Secretary of Defense akunta Justin Kodia any nanabi mu koye wo nanabi wo ye MPP ni Justin Kodia o ye general secretary man kwa kodu John Kuma fie ni e ba mu so why na so what are you afraid?
I don't take shot.
Do you know why? They knew no munim say poisoning and they come John Kuma so they were even afraid say John Kuma wu ye na yase aduane na nipa ntimi ni cabinet meeting do baby wo ba wo mi enso asem I am fine. Remember, me so MPP for cabinet meeting join another style. They were afraid to drink water, common water. They were afraid because if you are a young man and you are not careful, they will kill you. I said, we'll be a slow maker. They make catch now. Honorable Apiakubi. Ote wasa na ya catch and say doctor, your friend doctor na catch and say. Yeah, the helicopter fin crying. Eba be fa honorable Apiakubi. That material moment or tear yase, where did he be? Wakofie, yam ya wa driving the car, or koya kwe, ya kwa kwashe ne yam, e won hwan ete ye hwan ne hu ye, se ne yam ya ne yan, se fa helicopter fin crying, yam ma be fa ne go.
Enu na mentia se enu me do wa.
I am fi say yam kwala okum ha o.
Don't take far.
Ena doctor ne catch na yere ne say hey madam, let me tell you something. So ope wukunu nkwa. Helicopter na eba no e ma wukunu ndam
we mu nyina ya signs and symptoms
Apiakubi ti ase o onwi da mi hia Apiakubi yere ma me no kwa ndin de say me afi honorable Apiakubi yere ma nya me hira wo say no ka papa no we say team me yesi ni ko and on babo so figure say come on mo the helicopter be fa me kunu on that helicopter ye back ya say ade na be duru Kumase ye pa peja ye tu afiri Kumase e de abesi ya kwe abefa no bo apia kubi e de afiri ho de na bankran o say mo fa bo helicopter nko senya apia kubi yire ya ke kuma apia kubi. Why is it that all the young guys in MPP are dying and the old ones are still alive? Me can't say nyame ma obi nkwatete o. Obi o abena na kwakubi cham. Enkwada bebre won abusuo wo mawu. Wadi 105 oto. Me can't say nyame am obi nkwatete. Nyame ma obi nkwatete but owuo de bi o wo Bible say mpetuwo ho. Eye den na enkwada na ewuo. Say nye doctor na ka anobo apia kubi. Ye kunu say and then when kwabo Agyapong wo mu wie baso ase team se baso ye kufuo boy and on ba Agyapong so say Agyapong so ye kumawu no ye DC mwa kumawu DC so ye kufuo boy no so kai say team on ekro
Smart, the king of morning shows.
Agyapong le omo do sa poja prom
I don't take shot.
Agyapong ye didn't want grow chrome house if you hospital we call hospital if you hospital had the hospital you different area the kwa you different area the kwa you different area the kwa is okay so that there are there baby I did to say John Kuma Germany John Kuma Osako India
Captain
so where who ni yamu nyina bisana yere
of morning
so man so be kan okro nka kire bisana yere say to onim say ni kunu poison odi ye bisana yere aya mo men kan okro wo kurum ha na eno na ye problem
Zabusia and some no and a captain a devil who are my size and the captain's name said you better come as in the train better boba then the name is was so bits near about openly I be kind some hour to say that she's winning in the next soon in the was no won't see your home no air car editor as a mesre so we will comment our video no as a don't have you only subscribe to me so so much GH I saw the door on the account so that then I upload it so the only first person yeah was a really kind academy. All the social media platforms so call it too much it. All subscribe, no like, no share, no one be so any be share. Dark gold and I'm so. The same share.